Nuebe. Nuebe, bumalik na kami sa Nuebe.
Alay na kayo ni Mama D. Alay.
Align! Ang layo. Align! Kay Align! Kung ano na nakikita eh. Kay Align. Align, be.
Alay daw, dali, alay.
Hindi na nabibig.
Alay, ang guyin.
Ang galing. Ang galing. Ayaw na.
Saan ang galing dito? Ayaw mo, ha? Marty ka eh, ha?
Late ka na. Ito naman. Nasa ubo na kami eh.
Pension man lang eh.
Hatching! Ganda! Close open. Hawakan mo kayo ikaw. Close open. Close open. Close
Close open,
open. Combination yan eh. Oh. Da! Kingkay!
Wala naman hinahanap mo.
Kingkay! How's your stay here in Fairview?
It's okay, it's fine, it's great.
How's your 8th month? No, last July 23.
Did you eat at Sbarro and Starbucks?
Sbarro and Starbucks? Oh, that's good.
Tumalita ka naman. Sige na, go.
Who's your
Sige na.
father?
I don't know. Who's my father is?
How much are you worth?
I'm just a 40,000. I'm worth 40,000.
Oh, you're so cheap. I can buy you. Bye-bye, King Kai.
Bye-bye na, bye-bye.